little scientists. Are you ready to make something gooey, ooey, and super spooky? Well, today we're making some slime that glows in the dark. But first, let's talk about what makes slime so stretchy and slimy. Have you ever wondered how it works? Slime is like magic, but it's really science. We start with glue, which is sticky and gooey, and then we add baking soda and contact solution to make it stretchy. The glue has tiny pieces called polymers. That's like to slide around. When we add other ingredients, they help hold the polymers together, making the slime fun to stretch. And guess what? Today, we're going to make it extra spooky by adding in glow-in-the-dark paint or glitter. All right, let's gather our spooky ingredients. You'll need glue, baking soda, and contact solution. And of course, we have some glow-in-the-dark paint or glitter. Let's mix it up. So first, we poured our glue into a bowl, and then you'll add a little bit of baking soda. This is what makes the slime firm and still stretchy. Now, give it a mix. Next, we're going to add the contact solution, which helps turns it goo into slime. Mix it slowly and watch the magic happen. Wow, look at your slime. It's coming together. It's starting to get stretchy and fun. Now, let's make it spooky. Add a little glow-in-the-dark paint or glitter. What color will your spooky slime be? Maybe green, purple, or orange? While you finish mixing your spooky slime, let's sing a fun little song to the tune of the wheels on the bus about our spooky science experiment. Sing along if you know it. Mix the spooky slime around, round and round, round and round. Mix the spooky slime around. Let's make it glow today. Add the paint and stir it in, stir it in, stir it in. Add the paint and stir it in today. Hooray! Wow, look at that. Your slime is glowing. Isn't that spooky and cool? The glow-in-the-dark paint or glitter makes the slime extra special for Halloween. You can play with it, stretch it, squish it. How spooky is your slime? Does it remind you of a ghost? Or maybe even a little monster? So what makes our slime glow in the dark? It's all about something called phosphorus. These tiny particles absorb light and then glow when it gets dark. Isn't that cool? It's like they're holding holding onto the light and letting it out slowly when the lights go off. Science is magical. Now that we learned all about how our slime glows, let's sing one more song together to celebrate our spooky creation. This one is the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Spooky slime glowing bright, stretch it, squish it, what a sight. In the dark it shines so bright, green and orange, purple light. Spooky slime, so much fun. Our spooky science is all done. Wow, you've done such an amazing job today. Look at your spooky glowing slime. It's perfect for Halloween. You can squish it, stretch it, and even show your friends and family. I love how creative you've been today. Now, it's time for our goodbye song. But don't worry, we'll have more fun experiments soon. Goodbye to our spooky slime, spooky slime, spooky slime. Goodbye to our slime, we made it glow today. Mix it, stir it, and glow at night, glow at night, glow at night. Mix it, stir it, glow at night. Science was so bright. Thank you for joining me today, little scientists. I had so much fun making spooky, glowing slime with you. Don't forget to share your spooky slime with me by tagging Artful Auntie. And if you had fun, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell so we have more spooky adventures together. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep exploring, and stay magical. Bye-bye.